Hi, I will be presenting the views that I made through a lot of trial and error. Okay, so the first one here, this is the A1C by gender view. Um, I tried to uh, do two different tables, male, female, and then to show the results under each, but I couldn't figure it out. I couldn't figure out how to do it that way. So I'll show this statement in a little bit. But this here, I grouped it by the gender, order by gender. Yeah. So I basically did 10 female and 10 male, 10 males. So and I put the patient ID so that the patient would be identifiable, and the A1C results, I named that A1C results, and then the gender column. Um, the okay. The SQL statement, the statement is here. At first, I just put the patient ID by itself, but I got an error saying that it was ambiguous because I had patient ID in more than one table. So I figured, that I had to give it an alias in order for it to um, know what table to take the patient ID from. Um, so yeah, so I did alias G patient ID, then test results, and I renamed it, gave it an alias of A1C results, and then the gender column, and then from glucose monitoring test results, and then I had to join the tables, the patient demographics table, which had the patient demographics table had the gender information, and then the glucose monitoring test results had the results. And on the on clause, the patient ID equals from the patient ID from the test results table equals the patient ID from the patient demographics table. And for the where clause, I put test results less than 14, because my test results table includes it includes the blood glucose, the plasma blood glucose um, results as well, but those are very high. So I just put that it should be less than 14, and that will just show all of my A1C results. And then I did order by gender. Then my second view, I called it high A1C, which is here, which is here. I basically, yes, yeah, so it's here. I basically had, I didn't count how many, but it's about an equal amount of high A1Cs between the male and females, but I also included the gender as well. And these are all the A1Cs above 6.5, 6.5 and up A1Cs. I basically used the same statement for the gender statement, and I just changed it. Where is it? Yeah, it's basically the same statement. I just changed the where clause. I put that the results can be greater than or equal to 6.5, and test results, and then the test results should be less than 14, because like I said, the results table also has blood glucose levels as well. So I put that in to make sure it didn't also include those results. Um, yeah. so those are my views. Maybe you can give me some feedback on if it is possible to separate. I tried doing it. I got as far as this. I wanted to do it like patient ID, and then the male and female table, and and then it would show it separated side by side, male and female, but I couldn't really figure it out. But yeah, but I got as far I got to this. So yeah, so you can give me some feedback on how to separate, like basically create, I'm basically creating a new table, which I was able to here, but I just couldn't figure out how to put the results underneath it, the corresponding results for male, female, and everything. Okay, thank you.